Alright, so we're going to go now into Williams F1 era. Cars, Formula 1. We've got all these Formula 1 cars here. Look at this. How cool is this? So this is the FW16. It was raced in 1994. Number race was 16. Ayrton Senna, Damon Hill, Nigel Mansell and David Coulthard all drove these cars. All drove this car. Alright, so we've got an FW14. Mansell and Riccardo Patrese both drove this car. It's a V10 3.5 litre. This is not bad. This is so cool. Thank you. Alright, we're now running on to a BMW one. FW23. It's 2001. Ralf Schumacher drove this. And John Pablo Montoya. Ralf Schumacher actually drove this car. How cool is that? I actually heard he's recovered now from his accident, so well, he's not completely recovered though, he's awake or something. So on this one we have a Martini FW38. Very cool. That was Bottas and Felipe Massa both drove this car. And the FW44. All the carbon fibre. Look at all the carbon fibre interior on this car. It has to be carbon fibre, and then we've got like the halo ring as well. That goes on the top there because that actually helps all the drivers and like for when they do the crashing stuff. So this is a damaged. There's a wheel. Wheel's absolutely naked. So this is all a crashed car. Right, so we're going to move it on. Pastor Maldonado